Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna show you how I made my DIY bed frame. I'm starting by cutting all my board to the right length. You can check my description, there's a link to my instructable where you can get all the dimension and download the free plan. And since I built my bed frame with construction lumber, I now rip cut all my board to give them a nice square edge. And as you can see, my DIY dust collector is doing a great job catching all the dust. I start by making the headboard. First, I use a simple jig to mark the location of my hole. Then, I'm using my Craig Jig Mini to drill 9 holes per 2x7. I will drill hole in 4 of the 5 planks that we need to build the headboard. Once it's done, I'm sanding all the pieces. I'm using 36 2.5 screw to assemble the headboard. And to make sure everything stays straight over the time, I will be adding 3 2x4 to the back of the headboard. And we're done for this part. Voila! Next step, I'm making the base. And like for the headboard, I will be using pocket screw to assemble everything. I start by making the hole in the top part of the frame. Then I move to the bottom. And I will use more pocket screw to connect the top and the bottom of the frame, because it will need to support the weight of a person when stepping in or stepping out of the bed. Remember that you can follow my step-by-step instructable, just click the link in my description. And again, take the time to sand all the pieces. After all, you don't want a splinter in your foot. Alright, now it's time to assemble the base. And I'm doing this step upside down, which means the 4 pieces that you see right now will be the top of the frame. And now that they are assembled, I repeat the same step for the 4 pieces that will make the bottom. And once it's done, I'm using 52 pocket screw to connect the top and the bottom part together. And we are ready to flip it over. And now it's time to add some color. I'm using some Seco wood stain to finish my project, but you can use the finish you want. And make sure you use interior wood stain. I have used exterior wood stain for my project, and I had to ventilate the room for a couple days. We're not finished yet, but we can already have a preview of the final project. Before we can install the strapping on which the mattress will rest, we need to add some support on both sides and in the middle of the bed frame. And I'm using 2 joist hanger and 1 2x6 for the middle support. Then I'm joining the headboard to the base with some 3" screws. And for the last step, using 3 spacers, I laid down 20 1x3 strapping. And we are closer to a better sleep. Oh yes, we're finished and I'm really happy with the result. If you like this video, please take the time to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.